I'm Jim Cobb, author of Prepper's Home Defense, Prepper's Long-Term Survival Guide, and several other disaster readiness books. I also write for several of the relevant publications. Here today to talk about the Sustained Supply 2-person 72-hour kit. And we thought we'd break down all the contents that come packed within the kit. Starting with food. We have 12 servings of Mountain House dehydrated food. The idea here is to provide your family with a warm meal rather than just handing them a granola bar and hoping for the best. You prepare these, it's a real meal. It's hot, it's tasty. We provide silicone bowls and plastic utensils to eat the food rather than just dumping it out on a paper plate. Now the beauty of these bowls is they fold flat, so they store very easily in the pack. We also have pouched water. These are individually packaged, cut open the plastic bag, and away you go. If you're familiar with juice pouches, you're familiar with these. The beauty of these is they're individually wrapped, they're gonna stay good for a long, long time. We also have, in addition to providing you with water, we provide you with the means to purify and filter additional water. The Sawyer Mini is hands down the best filter on the planet for emergency readiness. This little filter here will take care of over 100,000 gallons of water. Every emergency supply kit should come with first aid items. We include a small first aid kit. This is good for your bumps, your bruises, your scrapes, that kind of thing. Another must-have in every emergency kit is a knife. This kit comes with the Mora Companion. This is one of the best knives at this price point on the market today. It will do everything you need a knife to do. It is also one of the most highly recommended knives by survival instructors all over the world. A very commonly overlooked item when it comes to disaster readiness is hygiene. We've included packaged bath wipes to help keep you and your family a little bit cleaner. When you are able to clean up a little bit, it makes you feel a little more human. It makes you feel a little bit better about the situation. For emergency signaling, the kit comes with 2 emergency whistles. Each of them has a lanyard. Put one around your neck, put one around a family member's neck. If you get separated, you're able to signal to one another and be able to get back together. The kit also comes with 2 emergency blankets. These are very high quality emergency blankets. They're not the cheap, very thin Mylar that tear easily. These are very durable, long lasting, and as a bonus, they're orange for visibility. When you go to cook your food, you may not have access to a microwave or a stovetop, things like that. So we've included a little stove. This stove burns sticks, twigs, pine cones, dried grass, things like that. The beauty of this is, like the silicone bowls, it folds flat. It disassembles, folds up into a very small package so it'll fit easily in the kit. We've also included 2 different pots that nest together for boiling the water or cooking other food, say you have canned soup, things like that. Illumination is a very big element when it comes to disaster readiness. Nobody likes being in the dark. So we've included 3 different options for emergency lighting. We have an LED lantern with 30 LEDs. It also has fold-up arms on the top so you can hang it in your home, in your vehicle. We have a very nice LED flashlight. We also have 4 snap lights. These snap lights are excellent tools for illumination because they don't rely on batteries. They're not candles. It's not an open flame. You simply crack, shake, and it's lit for 12 hours. We also have, if you're going to have a stove, you need to have a way to burn things. So we included some fire starter. This InstaFire fire starter is hands down my favorite store-bought type of tinder. It comes in little granules. It'll light from a match, it'll light from a lighter, it'll light from a spark, and burns hot and burns for a long time. If you don't have lighter, you don't have matches, we included a ferrocerium rod. This is a very common tool survival instructors use. Basically, you have a scraper, you scrape down the edge of the rod, it generates sparks down into the tinder and gets everything burning. This is the Sustained Supply 2-person 72-hour kit. This kit contains everything you need for 2 people for 3 full days to keep you comfortably prepared.
So, with that in mind, get your 3-day, 4-person basic kit. All of this is packed into one hands-free backpack with front pocket, reflective band, and reinforced handle. Contents include Coast Guard approved 5-year shelf life food bar with 800 calories per person each day. 5-year shelf life drinking water in eco-friendly packaging. 107-piece first aid kit. Moist towelettes. 12-hour light sticks with lanyard. 4 N95 protective masks. 4 goggles. Rain ponchos. Tissues. Biohazard bags. Work gloves. Whistle. Duct tape. 8 nitrile gloves, survival blankets, and emergency contact card. Lastly, you can register your backpack and receive a reminder to refresh your food and water. All Ready America backpacks are 100% guaranteed.